Hi, my name's Keith. I'm a skateboard instructor. I've been skating for 50 years now, and today, from the very beginning, I'm going to teach Daniel, who's mainly been working with electric boards all of his life, how to skate.
I have some longboarding experience, but I've never really ridden a popsicle-style skateboard, so I'm gonna learn from
The
this
master.
guy.
I started skating in 1973 when skateboarding first hit the UK from the US. We built our own boards from very, very basic bits of wood, took a roller skate apart, put a truck on either side, made a skateboard before the big skateboards came over from California, where we all bought them straight away. The first board was actually a scooter. I don't know if that makes any difference to anybody. But today what I'm going to do is try and explain to you from the very beginning, before you've even ever got on a board. Within an hour I can teach you how to do turning, jumping on the board, getting off the board, being confident getting on and off, which is very important. And the real basics, just to get you started, to get you confident on the board. Confidence is key.
If you want to start skating but are afraid that you're too old, then this channel is for you.
Skate lessons for grown-ups who wanna be cool
with Skate Daddies.